Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. We have a bunch of planners to show you today. These are releasing on Thursday, May 7th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 planners to show you. And whoa, I'm knocking things over. And 2 notebooks. This is not going to be my usual kind of flip through because I do not have time to edit. So it's going to be messy. It's going to be a lot of ums and coughs and bumble grumbles and all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in watching, let's go. I will put all of the timestamps in the description box and really appreciate it when you use my affiliate link. That will be down below. You just click it. It takes you right to the Happy Planner website. You don't have to do anything else. You don't pay for anything, but I get a small commission from your purchase. And it won't even show that it's like, if you click on it, if you're new to affiliate links and you click on it, it won't even show that it's my link. It just takes you there. But don't worry, I'll get credit. So thank you for considering that. Okay, let's look at the notebooks first because they're the easiest ones to flip through. We have one big and one classic. Let's look at the classic first. This is Angela. Oh my gosh, I'm going to butcher this pronunciation so you guys can read it. See? I can't read it. There she is. She is the illustrator. Really cute cover right away. So I happen to love these Happy Notes notebooks. I have a whole bunch of them. And I use them for a whole wide variety of things. Sometimes I have specific purposes, and sometimes I just use them for like scratch paper. It just depends on what I feel like doing. I'll usually just grab one when I need some paper to write in, but I love having them because they're so cute. Anyway, we have books here. This is a book one, and look at this paper. That's really cool. I really like this, and it's really good for fall. So pretty. And then it has a few dividers. This is the first one, and this is the second. And that's the inside and the outside back cover. It's a really cute one. It has clear plastic discs. And yeah, that's about all you say about those notebooks, but they're super cute. And then this is a big dotted lined notebook. And it's that Minnie and Daisy varsity, or Mickey. Is this? No, Minnie. Sorry. Minnie. Wow, I am losing my mind. I flipped through 17 sticker books, so I'm going a little crazy. This is Minnie and Daisy. They're like in high school. So this has like a high school or college vibe to it. Look at that. It's so cute. I love like the outside being colored and then the inside just being the white. It's not white though. It's like off-white. This is really cute. In this classroom, we stick together. So cute. I love this pattern. And there's the back. Adorable. Okay, I have a couple of deluxe cover classic Happy Planners, so let's look at those first. Sorry, now they call them premium covers, but they used to be deluxe covers. So this is Reading Hour. Don't forget, if you get any of these covers, you have to pull this part off. I don't know if you can see. I'm not going to do it now because I have to get tweezers, but do you see there's plastic on there? When you pull that off, it's much cuter and clearer. Oh my gosh, sorry about that. Look at this cover. Isn't it gorgeous? Mine got a little bit dirty, ignore that, but isn't it so pretty? It's embroidered. Really cute premium cover. Pretty plain name page. Oh my gosh, Bumble's playing. So here's 26-27. We have the year at a glance. This is your currently page. It looks the same as usual. Sorry. Okay, so this is a dashboard layout planner. Sorry. Bumble, stop. She's got this giant duck that's like this big, so she's shaking it up. Let me show them your toy. This is her toy. It's like the size of her. She likes really big toys or really small toys, but not in between. Okay, so this is what the dashboard layout looks like. And that's really going to be the same for all of the months. It's just very neutral. Where the magic begins. That's really cute. That's for August. Here's my birth month. Don't love that one as much as I love the one before, but it's books, so I'll take it. It's a good day to read a good book. Home is where my books are. Cute. In my book club era. Books and tea. Her soul belongs to words and books. Every time she reads, she is home. The days are long, but the years are short. Gretchen Rubin. Here's Bumble, in case you guys are wondering. She is very energetic right now because she slept all morning when I was at the gym and out to lunch with my friends. Okay, there's some books, and this says, oh my gosh, how am I supposed to read this, you guys? More music, more tea, more books, more laughter, more smiles, more walks, more road trips, more love, more creating, more dreaming. I did it. That's the back page, and then that's the back cover. Next up, we have Bright Lessons, and this is a horizontal planner. And, oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you that the last one is a 12-month planner from July to June, and this one is as well. I think they all are. This is also a premium cover. I love this color here. That's really cute. It says, it's going to be great. Teacher plans. Again, neutral on these pages. Teachers are everyday heroes. That's the truth. Okay, this is what the horizontal layout looks like. Same as usual. And we are just going to go right into the dividers. Here's August. September. Today is a great day to learn something new. There's a cat. October. November. Inspire a new generation. There's foil dots on here. Really cute. Cats for December. Teaching is a work of heart for January. February, coffee, teach, grade, repeat. March, looks like this. April, reading is dreaming with your eyes open. May, love this class. And June, teach from the heart. And then there it is. Really cute. In case you are wondering, I do have a whole other video up now with all the sticker books. So make sure to check that out. Not all the sticker books. It might be all of them, but it's all the ones that I received. So there's like 17 different sticker books. It's a lot. If you're interested in seeing those. Okay, now we have a mini happy planner, and this one, oh, it's a happy note. Sorry, I was wrong about the number of planners. This was a notebook. I apologize. This is a Saved by the Bell notebook. It's a mini one. I happen to really like the mini notebooks because they're just easy to grab and use whenever. Party, party, party to the max. Yeah. And then this is what it looks like. It says Bayside Tigers. And then the back says Saved by the Bell 93. And it has the purple in the middle. Very 90s. So yeah, Saved by the Bell. All the pages are going to look like that. It is dotted lined. I was saved by the bell at Bayside High School, 1993. And there we have it. And that's the back. Again, mini size. We have 60 sheets there. Next up, we have Sunburst Bay. And this sticker book was really cute. It has the pink plastic discs and like the cheetah print that is colorful here. So yeah, really cute. It says 2026, 2027, and it is July to June. I love this name page. That's really cute. Okay, so this is, wait, sorry. Is a student, yeah, student layout. So the first page here then is class schedule, and you have course instructor, and then you can check off Monday, through Sunday, and then the time, and then phone, email, and location, office hours. And then here's this. And there's your currently page. Looks like any other planner. Good days ahead. That's really cute. And this is what the the student layout looks like. It's a little bit different. I don't know if we've had this before in the sidebar, but anyway, things to do, upcoming, and weekly tracker. And then the student layout looks like this because you can separate it into classes. And then weekend adventures, and then Saturday and Sunday are not broken out. The student layout is also good if you're not a student, like if you're somebody who just has a lot of different categories in their life that they want to track. You can certainly use this. You don't have to use it for student stuff, you know. Okay, grow with the flow. Your future looks bright. Love this pattern, really cute. Choose to shine. Live in full color. Follow your own path. Palm trees, so cute. Focus on the good things. Find your wild. Create your own sunshine. And that pattern, and then that's what it looks like in the back. Really cute planner. All right, we have one more classic happy planner to show you, and it is Pastel Poetry. And this one is a dashboard layout. Okay, this front says Daily Planner 2627. I love this pattern in the front. So cute. This is adorable here. It reminds me of the Cafe Coquette sticker book. Coffee, focus, radiate, and repeat. This is very subtle pink foil here. And this is the dashboard layout again. I love the colors here of the tabs. They're very pastel, obviously. Living my best life. September, there is beauty all around. October, have a grateful heart. November, looks like that. December, this is where the magic begins. January, start a new page. I love that. February, do less with more focus. March, find your balance. April, I love the checkerboard. Live a life that is full. And keep going and keep growing. Some lined notes in the back. We have this pattern again, so cute. And then there's that. If I was using this, I might put this as the front cover because I like it so much. You can just flip this around. But yeah, really cute. Again, that's called Pastel Poetry. Okay, this is School Doodles. It is a big teacher layout. If you are not a teacher and you want to use a teacher layout, you can. I have used it for different things. It's a great layout, you guys, because you can categorize things. And I like it better than the student layout because it's not shaded. You'll see. This says teachers make the world a better place. We have like the different color plastic discs there. These really cute doodles. I love this, the scallops around it, so cute. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit different since it's the teacher planner. So we do have a school schedule here, reliable students, reliable teachers, additional notes, and notes for the substitute. And then the year of the glance pages. Currently page is the same. And this is what the teacher layout looks like. Again, it's a great layout, you guys. I'm really hoping that eventually they'll make one like this, but with the dates at the top. But because this is just Monday through Friday. And if the dates are at the top, you can use these for like 5 different categories for each day, whether you use it for different people in your life or, you know, home, work, phone calls, errands, whatever. You can categorize things and it's very, very helpful. So what I do when I use it for that is I cover up the dates here and I put the category there and then I put the dates at the top. Here is August, feeling lucky to be a teacher. September, October, November. I am not going to read all the quotes this time. Sorry, guys. But I'm running out of time here. March. I really like these colors with it. April. May. June. And July. And then in the back, you have these classroom checklists. And these are also great if you're not a teacher as well, because you can like use them for anything. I used to use it for YouTube videos. Like I would list the video here and then all the steps that went into the video so that I could like check it off each time. But it got to be a little too much, so I stopped doing that. But yeah, you can use it for like various categories of things that you need to check off each month or something. So you get a bunch of those, and then that's the back cover. Again, that one is called School Doodles. And then we have one more to show you. That's Big Happy Planner size, by the way. And this is also Big Happy Planner size. And you guys, this is a big homeschool layout. And it's pastel poetry. This runs also July through June. So if you are a homeschool mom or dad, this might really appeal to you. I know if I was homeschooling my kids, I would need all the planners I could get, because that is a hard job. That is a really difficult job, and all the power to you if you're doing it, because I can't imagine doing that. But this will help you. So the beginning is just like any other planner. Mentor, teach, inspire, and repeat. And then for the month, we have to do, deadlines, subject, date, and then chores. So we have a page called Grade Tracker, name, grade, year, subject, date, test / project, percent grade, and letter grade. Class overview, subject / class, description, lesson details, important dates, deadlines, and projects. And then same thing here. Yeah, same thing here on the back. And then you have a reading list here, name, grade, year, and then book's title, book's author, subject, read by. So this looks like a student layout, but it's a little bit different because it's homeschooling. So we have assignments, don't forget, weekly focus, activities, notes for the week ahead. Then we go into August. Just want to see if there's anything different. So every month you're going to get these same pages, I guess. The grade tracker, the class overview, the reading list, and then it goes into the month. Now, if you want to use it for different things than this, you can always cover these up. Or the great thing about Happy Planner is, of course, you can insert your own papers into this, and that is really, really helpful for teaching and homeschooling and stuff like that. So don't forget you can do that. So let's move on, and I'll just show you the dividers. And it looks like that last one, not the last one. It looks like when we flip through that other one. Wow. You know what I mean. The other pastel poetry one. It's the same thing, only bigger. Yep. And that is that. Okay. Very cute planners and notebooks and stuff. I'm not going to pull them all out because you already saw them. Anyway, don't forget to use my link. Appreciate that so much. And these all release on Thursday, May 7th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.